How to edit videos using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here on the top of your screen you will see many options, but simply tap on edit video option, which is right below the camera option right here. Then after selecting the video that you would like to edit, you'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Here you can add filters, adjust brightness, contrast, exposure, saturation, and many more. And after you're done editing your videos, simply tap on the save button on the top right corner of your screen. And these are some simple steps which you can follow to edit videos using the Meitu app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.